We are going to play Mary Had a Little Lamb, aka Mary's Lamb, several different ways. First, we're going to play it with our right hand by the alphabet letters. All 5 fingers will have their own key to press. Ready? Go. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, G, G, E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, D, E, D, C. Now let's play with the left hand. We are going to put our pinky on C, and every finger will have its own key. Ready? Go. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, G, G, E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, D, E, D, C. Now let's play it with both hands at the same time. Ready? Go. E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, G, G, E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, D, E, D, C. We're going to play Mary's Lamb again, but this time we're going to mirror our fingers. That means we are going to play the same fingers at the same time. This will create harmony. Ready? Go. The last way we are going to play Mary's Lamb is with a chord in the left hand. The right hand will play the melody by itself, while the left hand is going to be playing the C chord. C is on the bottom, and then we skip a note, and then we skip another note. We play 3 notes at the same time, and this is called a chord. Ready, go. You may be thinking, well, that chord sounded weird. Well, it's because there's a different chord I'm supposed to be playing where it sounded funny. So now I'll play that chord. Now, this chord that I just played sounds okay, but it might not be the sound that you were expecting. So let's play a different chord. Ready, go. So, the first time I played the C chord for the entire song, and it sounded a little funny, but for our purposes, you might be playing the C chord for the very first time, and so we're practicing playing this chord. To the second way I played it, I went like this. I just took these two notes and I moved up, and I kept this one here. This is an inversion of the F chord, because this might be easy for you to move your two fingers up. The last chord I think sounds the most normal for this song, and that's the G chord. But to jump from the C down to the G, that might be difficult. So if you want to try playing this song and go like this, when it starts to sound funny holding on to this chord, you can play this one instead. It's a relatively easy move to make, but if you are playing piano for the first time and you're still gaining coordination with your hands, this still might be awkward. And this is definitely going to be awkward because your eye-hand coordination has to eyeball where you're going to hit, and then you have to get there. It just takes a lot of practice. So practice every day.